Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, we're gonna go take a look at somebody's sink who's got drain flies, forward flies, filth flies, fruit flies, sewer moths. These are all names of small flies that come out of drains because they feed on the scum that builds up inside the sink drain, which is basically saliva and soap and toothpaste and gosh knows what goes down there, and a bacterial fungal matrix grows on that stuff, and then the bugs eat it and breed in it, and then you start to get little black flies in your bathroom and around your bathroom sink, and they're gross, but they're easy to fix. Check it out. We're going to do it now. All right, I'm going to do a voiceover here, so I didn't want to talk in the client's home. Pull the stopper, get yourself the Invade hotspot or any other biodigesting foam. Here's the brush that you need. You can get it on Amazon. It's just a drain brush. They come in many sizes. They're very cheap. Scrub. That scum is the junk that the bugs are feeding on and breeding in, okay? That's where your small flies are coming from. Scrub it a lot. It builds up. If you do this often, you won't have as much to build up. And go down deep because you get down to the P-trap, down to the curve. All right, so that's not nice. That's kind of nasty stuff right there, frankly, and I'm just, I'm pretty used to it. I'm not wearing gloves, obviously, but yeah, you get it out of there. There's some hair and whatnot. All right, so the next step is to take the hotspot, put that long hose connector on it, and put that hose down there deep because you want to shoot the foam from the bottom of the drain and let it foam upward, all right? Otherwise, if you just try to foam the top, it'll just get a little cap of foam. And then there's that little overflow hole on sinks. Most sinks have that. Get that hose down in there, foam it up, and you'll see the foam starts coming out from both ends there. That means you got a pretty good coverage. And then you can just let that sit for several hours. Back in the car, and you can see that wasn't that complicated. A little bit of the hot shot biodigester foam and a brush. It's just got to get in there and get dirty. That black scum that comes out is not fun, but it won't hurt you. If you want to wear gloves, wear gloves. It's your own stuff. If you're doing this, it's the Pest Dude channel and you're watching how to do this, it's your own gunk, right? It's from you and your family in your own sink. So whatever that is, wear gloves if you want. Don't splash it on your face because when you pull that brush out, sometimes it spatters everywhere. All right. If you got any questions, come over to pestdude.com or make comments in the video and I'll do my best to answer. It's a Pest Dude out.